Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home. If you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 29 May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Indian Navy has formed which PPE kit with innovative breathable fabric material? So it is Navrakshak. Some GK to Indian Navy. Indian Navy headquarters present in New Delhi, and 4th December is celebrated as Navy Day. And who is the chief? His name is Admiral Karambir Singh. Question number 2. Fintech startup Zaggle has announced a partnership with which card company to launch innovative payment solution for SME and startup? So it is Visa. Visa headquarters present in California, and Alfred F. Kelly is its CEO. Question number 3. When was World Thyroid Day 2020 observed? So it is observed on 25th May, World Thyroid Day. Question number 4. James Hampton, who has announced retirement, is associated with which sport? So he was associated with tennis, and he was from America. Question number 5. India has helped with which country to set up military war game center named India in Jinja district? So it is in Uganda. Uganda capital is Kampala, and its currency is Ugandan shilling. Question 6. Hana Kimura, who passed away recently, was associated with which sport? So she was associated with wrestling, and she was only 22 when she was died, and she belongs to Japan. Question number 7. Which district of Madhya Pradesh has secured the first position in the state in terms of providing employment to rural job card holders under Manrega? So it is Balaghat district. Some GK to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Its CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and governor is Lalaji Tandon. And recently, Madhya Pradesh government has launched Charan Paduka scheme. Under this scheme, the migrant workers who are crossing over Madhya Pradesh in barefoot will be provided with the shoes and sandals. Question 8. The red and blue colored flags reads Kimmat or Himmat is a flag of police which region? So it is the flag of Ladakh. So before Ladakh, it was Jammu and Kashmir police. So after the separation of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, and they become two union territory, so the police name is Ladakh police. Option number A. And who is the governor? His name is Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur. Question 9. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2022? So it is Meghalaya. Meghalaya is going to host National Games 2022. So some GK to Meghalaya. Meghalaya capital is Shillong. Its CM is Conrad Sangma, and governor is Thadagata Roy. Question 10. Which Bollywood actor has launched his new grooming and personal care brand Fresh? So it is launched by Salman Khan. Question 11. Which country has won the inaugural virtual UPFA Euro 2020? So it is won by Italy, and Italy defeat Serbia by 3-1. Some GK to Italy. Italy capital is Rome, and its currency is Euro. So just remember, friends, whenever they are asking any currency regarding the European countries, maximum European countries have the same currency, Euro. Question 12. Which has become the first state to release a unique report highlights its conservation efforts to save over 1,100 rare plant from extinction? So it is Uttarakhand government. Option number D. Question 13. According to World Steel Association, India crude steel output declined over how much percentage to 3.13 million tons during April? So it is option number D, 68%. Question 14. Navy warship of which country has successfully tested a new high energy laser weapon that can destroy aircraft in mid-flight? So it is done by United States. United States headquarters present in Washington DC. Its president is Donald Trump and its currency is dollar. Question 15. Research Center RCA DRDO has developed which application will allows non-contact based personal verification? So it is option number B, AINA. So AINA stands for AI based attendance application, and DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. Its headquarters present in New Delhi, and it was started on 1958. Dr. G. Satish Reddy is its chairman. Question number 16. A tropical storm Manga is evolving in the southern Indian Ocean. Which country has given a name Manga? So it is given by Indonesia. Indonesia capital is Jakarta, and Indonesian rupiah is its currency. Question 17. Prem K. Nair has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to which country? So it is to Niger. Option number D. Niger capital is Niamey and its currency is West African CFA franc. Question 18. Which company has partnered with Taj Satas to provide nutritious meals to frontline health worker? So it is done by REC Limited. So these are the current affairs of today, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time, and I wish you like the video. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.